Atiba says, can I renew my temporary green card with my spouse? So if you have a temporary green card and your spouse is willing, so essentially if you have a 2-year green card and your spouse is, you're in a happy marriage, you're still with that spouse, you're still living together with that spouse, right? You can file to, it's not really a renew, you can file for a 10-year green card. That's what it's called. So you have a 2-year green card, you can file for the 10-year green card. That's essentially what it's called. So that's the renewal. I guess that's what you mean by the renewal. So yes, but even if you're no longer with your spouse, if you're no longer happily living with your spouse, you might still be eligible to apply for that 10-year green card on your own. And that can be done, let's say, for example, if you're divorced without my spouse. Sorry, Atiba says clarifying. Okay, that's a better question. All right. So if you have a 2-year green card, can you apply for a 10-year green card without your spouse's help? I think that's what you're asking. So I have a 2-year green card. I want to apply for my 10-year green card, but my spouse is not willing to help me. So yes, there are many kind of situations where you can apply for that 10-year green card without the help of your spouse. So for example, we do a lot of cases where there's abuse in the marriage, and that could be physical abuse. Not oftentimes it's not physical abuse, it's more verbal abuse, mental abuse, things of that nature. So if there's that kind of abuse in the marriage, you can apply for that even if you're not divorced. If you're divorced already, you can apply for that 10-year green card without your spouse based on the divorce. You can also, if your spouse passed away, you can apply for it if your spouse passed away, that 10-year green card without the help of your spouse. And if you would suffer extreme hardship by returning to your home country, that's probably a little bit more complicated to prove than one might think. But yes, there are many ways to apply for that 10-year green card on your own without the help of your spouse. We do these cases pretty often. Feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call, 703-348-1663.